tonight is Friday, and my video is about big losses and how to avoid them. Okay. A lot of people, they lose money not just because they don't know how to trade, but because they did big mistakes. Now, these mistakes is because you don't know how to trade. I know there is a big relation with from the way you trade and the big losses, because the person who does big losses, we have two things to consider. Now, one thing is you don't know how to trade. This is the first thing. If you know how to trade, you will not allow big losses. Second thing, even if you know how to trade, you can have big losses. Now, why? Because of the risk. You take too much risk. In stocks and in other derivatives like options, futures, forex, a lot of people, they lose money because they take too much risk, and they don't. Some people, some traders, they know that they are going to have a big risk, but a lot of people, they don't know that they are doing a big risk in their account. Okay, suppose that you have, let's say last year you have an account with $10,000. You know, 5,000, 10,000, it's a small account, okay? If in some trades you lose like 500, 1,000 in one trade, tell me, how can you make money by the end of the year? You will never. This is, I'm not always, when I speak, I'm not always giving you theory. This, what I give is theory that is related to practice directly. I give you the problem, I give you the solution. Okay? Now, the problem of big losses, it has two causes. The first cause is you don't know how to trade. Okay? Because if you know how to trade, you will stop these big losses. Now, second thing that most of the traders, they ignore, either they know or they don't know, is the risk. Okay? It's like when you go gambling. So whatever money you put or you buy tickets of the lottery, you lose. So you know that you beforehand that all your money is gone. Okay? So this is really a problem. Okay? So the first thing, as I said, is you don't know how to trade. The second thing is the risk. You don't know how to see the risk. And maybe there are some people who have never heard of it. Okay? When you buy a stock, you should calculate your risk. Now, for beginners, they don't want to calculate risk. Okay? They say, okay, please, don't talk to me. I buy a stock today. Okay, tomorrow I will see what the market will give me. If the stock goes up, oh, I'm making money. And I know I'm making money because I'm sure. Okay? If the stock goes down, I know it will go up. Everyone, every trader, every book I have read, every guru in online, every TV show says that when the stock goes down, it will go up. Okay. And if you know that the stock go down, it will go up, why do people lose money then? Okay. This is a simple question. Why do people lose money? If everything goes down, it will go up again. There are some stocks that they will never go up to the price they were before. Okay? A company, the price was 100, now it is $10. Okay? Oh, you say this company is very bad because it's a very bad company and it loses money, that's why. No, it's not because it loses money. Okay? A company that it is good, someone can short the stock. Okay, like a hedge fund, he go to a company price and short the stock. So this has nothing to do with the company if it is doing good or bad. Understand the game. If you don't understand the game, okay, you will be doing the same mistakes, and each year you lose money, and then you ask yourself, why I lose money? And you begin to blame others for your mistakes, instead of looking at your mistakes, trying to figure out how to correct them, and you correct them, and that's it. And then in the future you will minimize your losses and you will make more profits. Okay, so this is the two things that you. Now when you say big losses, what does it mean, big losses? Big losses is when you lose a big chunk of your money in each trade. Okay, this is a big loss. For example, if you lose 20%, 15%, 30% of your trade, that is too much. Okay? It's too much money that you lose in each trade. How can you continue like this? Even if you lose these trades, even they are only 2 or 3 or 4 or 5 of these in the year, it will take all your profits, even if you have made some profits before. And you know that. You see that some stocks, you buy stocks and you make money, but it comes only 1 trade or 2 or 3, and it will wipe out all your account. And that's why you ask yourself, why I am losing money each year? What's the problem? The problem is this, is that 2 things. First, you don't know how to trade. This is a fact. The second thing, even if you know to trade a little bit, it means sometimes you have some good trades, but still you are doing big losses. Now, these big losses is that because you don't calculate your risk. Calculating your risk is so important. That's why when I have my ebook, which is called How to Calculate the Stop Loss, and some people told me, oh, stop loss, there are some people, they don't use it and they make money. I say, who? Okay, give me an example. Show me a trade that someone has done, and many trades, and he's always making money with that. Does it mean that he knows the future of any stock? Okay, this person, if he knows the future of any stock, he will be a billionaire, not a millionaire, a billionaire, because you know. Okay. Some people, I see the comments. Oh, the stop loss is very easy. You just see this and this in the middle. Okay. And why you are each year you are making losses? Why? Stop loss is not as easy as you might think. There are a lot of things. You should calculate your risk in every trade you do, in each trade. Okay? This is a business. But you think that buying stocks, selling stocks is just a game like this, street game that, okay, you buy, you wait, okay, no stop loss, okay, the stock will go up, and you just continue like this, 1 year you lose money, 2nd year you lose money, 3rd year you lose money, and then you lose all your account. And then you tell to your friends, oh, I have traded so good, but there are some people who always short the stock. There are some floor traders, they do this and that. The stock market is gambling. There is no business in stock market. It's just fake people and this and this and that. This, it means you give excuses to your failures. If you fail to do something successfully, you try to blame others instead of looking at your problems. Okay, if you have a problem, you solve it yourself. If you don't know, you ask help with people who know how to solve problems. Okay? So, hope this video gives you an insight why the big losses is too bad for your account. And you say to me, how can we avoid these big losses? Is to train yourself to learn how to trade. If you don't know, ask someone. Okay? Training. You ask training. You try to do as much trades and see what's wrong. If you don't know, you ask. Okay? Now for the second thing is to risk. Okay? There are many ways you can do to minimize your risk. Now when you minimize your risk, you can maximize your profit. And this is the way to make the money. Okay? So thank you very much. If you want to just take a look at my ebook, which is called How to Calculate Stop Loss, you will find the link below. Just try to check it. And thank you very much and have a good night.